Hey guys, this is Josh Tech here, and for today's video is we're going to unbox another AirPods. This is the AirPods Pro 2. Let's go. Hey you guys, this is Josh here. Welcome back to our channel. And yes guys, for today's video is we are going to unbox here another is the AirPods Pro 2. So I got this one guys from Airpods 3PH. So if you're interested, just tap on the link on the description box. Okay guys, so without further ado, let's open this one. Okay, so done. Okay, that's it. And then we have here another case. This is in red since Christmas is coming, you know. It's advanced Merry Christmas, everyone. Yes, we'll never know that it's too fast, right? Okay, guys, so here's the box of the AirPods Pro 2. So we have here TWS earphones, and then on the sides we have here nothing, and on top there's just the same branding. There's a QR code, and at the back it's more like the design itself. So let's open this one now. Okay guys, so look at that. It's really familiar, right? So this one is more like the clone of the AirPods Pro 2 guys. So if you can't really afford to buy the original one since it's very expensive, then you might as well check this one out. Okay, and just a quick review guys, I actually unboxed the other AirPods before from them, the AirPods 3PH, and until now guys, I'm still using it and I'm very happy with it. Okay, so we have here the box, okay, which is same with the original one. We have here the information, some serial number, okay, and Apple branding, AirPods Pro on top, and this is also the other information. Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Boom, boom. So guys, let's unbox this one. Let's open this. Okay, like that, and another one here. Oh, I've never unboxed the original AirPods here in my channel yet, so maybe in the future. So this is here the manual, the paperworks, AirPods Pro. Okay, it's really like the original one. Yeah, the paperwork. Ooh. And we have here the AirPods Pro 2. Okay, this one here guys. Wow, we have here the charging cable. This is the type C to lightning cable. Okay, so almost really the same with the original one. And then we have here the extra earbuds. Wow, nice. Okay, let's unwrap this one. Okay, let's remove it here first. So like, oh, I like the sound. Alright, so wow, look at that guys. It's heavy, quite heavy, so it really feels premium, I tell you. Like, wow, this is really almost the same with the original one. Okay, so pen opening, so there's like a green light there, and this is our AirPods Pro 2. Ooh, it looks pretty nice. I'm excited to try them on. Okay, and then there's even like a serial number there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, okay, there is like a for the strap, okay, so that you will not lose them. So there's like a kind of strap that you can attach there. So guys, I'm excited to try them on. I will be using another phone and I will try them on, and I will let you know my opinion about this guy.
Hey guys, I've already
tried this one using TikTok and Spotify, and all I can say guys is that it's so nice. It's really I don't know, like it's like the original one, and I like the bass. The bass is really obvious while you are listening to it, and it adds really a great music experience, your listening experience with your AirPods Pro 2. Yes, guys, with an affordable price, you can already get this one. Okay, so for me, guys, if I'm going to give this a rate, so I'm gonna give this an 8 over 10. Yes. Okay, so it's if I'm going to tell you guys, this one is really nice, and I recommend you this one especially in this Christmas season. So this is a perfect present for your friends and your family. And by the way, guys, I actually did use this one with my other iPhone, and then it says here AirPods Pro connected. So okay, let's try to check if it's working. Okay, so it's like that, and let's try to open this one, our AirPods. Okay, let's take them out. Okay, woo! It says they're AirPods Pro. Okay, the information. Okay, wow! For just an affordable price, you can already have this one. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you on our next video.